Bonjour à tous. Good morning, everyone. Today, let us see adjectives in page number 44, seventh exercise. Clear? Okay. Please refer page number 44. Okay. In that, seventh exercise, if you see, they have given a set of 5 questions. Let us see how this is going to be here. What is adjective in English? In English, adjective describes the noun. So the same is applicable even in French. Even in French. Adjective describes the noun. So even in French, it is the same. But you have masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural and feminine plural classification in French. Clear? Okay. Now let us see what it is. Phrase is a adjective here. In masculine singular, it is phrase only. In masculine plural, it is again phrase. Same only in both singular and plural. But whereas in feminine singular, it is getting changed to phrase with circumflex on the top and che. There is a difference. And in feminine plural, you have to add s at the last. So now the question is, nous buvons des boissons. We drink some drinks. Fresh drinks. Phrase means fresh. Phrase means fresh. Clear? Okay. So, we drink some fresh drinks. Boisson, when you write it in singular, it is la boisson. Though it is ending up with s, it is la, that is feminine only. La boisson. Clear? It is feminine. So it is feminine plural. What is the answer for feminine plural here? Phrase. So that phrase we have bought here. Clear? Then the second one, toi de bonne note. You have got good marks. You have got good marks. Now, bon is the adjective here. Bon is the adjective here. Masculine singular, it is bon only. Masculine plural, you'll add s at the last. Feminine singular, any. And feminine plural, add s to this. Clear? Now, look at the noun here, note. It is ending up with es. So, if it is ending up with es, it is feminine plural. You know, no? If it is ending up with e, it is feminine singular. If it is ending up with s, it is masculine plural. If it is ending up with es, it is feminine plural. And there are some exceptionals also. Okay, clear? Okay. Now, it is ending up with es. So, it is feminine plural. So, what is the answer for feminine plural here? Bone. Bone. B-O-N-N-E-S. So, that bone I have got here. Clear? Now, let us move on to the next one. See. La tarte aux pommes est délicieux. Tarte aux pommes is a French bread dish. Okay, you can just put la tarte aux pommes in Google. You could find the images. It's like it is a bread. It is a round bread stuffed up with some nuts and cherries. Okay, so it is a French dish. La tarte aux pommes est délicieux. La tarte aux pommes is delicious. The word la itself indicates that it is feminine singular. So for feminine singular, it is delicioso here. Clear? So that is the answer. That is the answer. Clear? So masculine singular, it is the same. Masculine plural, it is the same. Feminine singular, it is changing to SC. Feminine plural, yes. La tartopom, the word itself indicates that it is feminine singular. So we have noted, we bought this here. So answer is delicio, feminine singular. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next one, D. Il fait frais. It is fresh. Simply, the sentence is, it is fresh. How will you say il? The word il itself indicates, the subject indicates that il is masculine singular. Il is masculine singular. So masculine singular, phrase is phrase only. Masculine plural also, phrase is phrase only. Phrase. Feminine singular, it is phrase. And feminine plural, you have to add S here. Clear? Okay, now last one is c'est un très bon chef. He is a very good chef. He is a very good chef. Chef itself is masculine singular. Clear? Then bon. How will you write this adjective bon? Masculine singular, it is bon only. Masculine plural, add S here. And feminine singular, add any. And feminine plural, add S at the last. Okay, so then chef is masculine singular. So you have to pick up this B-O-N only. So that's what I have written here. Bon. Clear? Okay, so now let us move on to the next one. 8th exercise in page number 45. 8th exercise in page number 45. Les dash garçons sont contents. The small boys. Petit means small. The adjective petit means small. Content means happy. Content means happy. The small boys are happy. The small boys are happy. So now masculine singular, petit is petit. Masculine plural, add S at the last. Feminine singular, add E. Feminine plural, add S at the last for this. Clear? Les petits garçons, boys. Garçon means boys. So boys is masculine plural. So you have to pick up this petit. And then content. How will you write content? Masculine singular, it is content. Masculine plural, add S at the last. Feminine singular, add E at the last. And for feminine plural, you have to add ES. I'm sorry, I didn't write. It is ES. Clear? Okay. Now, for masculine plural, it is content. So you have to pick up this content only. Okay, I repeat one more time. Here one S should come. I didn't write it, so you please make a note. Content, you are adding masculine plural. You have to pick up the masculine plural content. So that is what even I have written here. Okay, les petits garçons sont contents. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Sumana a dash. Here is means happy. Here is means happy. Sumana is happy. The word Sumana itself indicates that she is a girl. So you have to, she is a girl. So she is feminine singular. So what is feminine singular here? This one. So you have to write Sumana a, here is here. Clear? So I'll just teach this how it is getting changed to feminine singular and masculine plural all. Here is same in here is. I mean, same as in masculine plural, and in feminine plural it is se at the last, and in feminine singular it is se at the last. Feminine plural it is es at the last. Clear? And Sumana is feminine singular, so we have taken this hers. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Marie Claire, a blonde. Marie Claire is blonde. Blonde, you are writing just blonde here. For masculine plural, add s here. Feminine plural, add e. And for feminine plural, add s here to this. Clear? Okay, Marie Claire is the name of a girl. So it is feminine singular. It is feminine singular, and the answer should be blonde. B-L-O-N-D-E. Please make a note of this. Answer should be blonde, because Marie Claire is the name of a single girl. So it is feminine singular. So that's why I have picked up this feminine singular adjective. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next one, D. Raji Ashat Yun dash robe. Raji Ashat Yun dash robe. Nouveau. Nouveau means new. Nouveau means new. Raji buy a new dress. Robe means dress. Robe means dress. So nouveau, when it is getting changed to masculine plural, it is taking x at the last. Feminine singular, it is nouvelle. Feminine plural, nouvelle, adding s at the last. Clear? Nouvelle. So how it is getting changed? It is extremely different. Nouveau, nouvelle. Clear? So you have to memorize this. And when it is getting changed to feminine plural, you are just adding yes here. Clear? Robe means dress. It is ending up with e. It is ending up with e, and so it is feminine singular. Feminine singular. And so what is the answer for feminine singular here? Nouvelle. So Raji buy a new dress. So nouvelle. This nouvelle I have picked here. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next one, E. Ce sont des cerises fraîches. Okay, these are some fresh cherries. Fraîche is given. So in masculine plural, it is same. Fraîche, we have seen earlier. Fraîche only here. And then for feminine plural, you are adding s here. Clear? And cherries, it is ending up with es. So it is feminine plural. Clear? So what is the answer for feminine plural? I repeat, it is ending up with es. So it is feminine plural. Feminine plural. So that what is the answer here? What is the adjective here for feminine plural? Fresh. So that is what I have bought here. Clear? Hope it is clear for you all. Okay. Now let us continue with the ninth exercise in page number 45. The same adjective exercise only. Suzanne est amusant. So amusant is a adjective here. When you are writing it in feminine, masculine plural, you are adding s here. Feminine singular, add e, and feminine plural, add es at the last. Clear? Suzanne is enjoying or amusing. Suzanne is the name of a girl. So feminine singular. So take this feminine singular here. So that is what even I have picked up here. Clear? Okay. Now let us move on to the next one, B. C'est une étudiante gay et gentille. She is a cheerful and nice student. Gay means cheerful. Gentille means nice. Etudiant, it is feminine here. If E is not present here, then it is masculine. Since E is present, it is feminine. So, what is the masculine singular is gay, and masculine plural is S at the last. Feminine singular is adding E here, and feminine plural add ES at the last. Clear? Okay. So now, une étudiante, it is feminine singular. So I have picked up this gay here. And same for gentil, I have written gentil, masculine singular, add masculine singular, add S, feminine singular, add LE, and for feminine plural, you are just adding S to this. Clear? Okay, so since it is feminine singular, you are writing this gentil here. Gay and gentil, both you pick up this feminine singular. Clear? This one and this one you have picked up for this. Clear? Okay. Now last one. Sorry, a third one. See, la robe de la jeune mariée est beau. The dress of the young girl is beautiful. Young girl is beautiful. Clear? So, jeune means young. Beau means beautiful. Beau means what? Beautiful. Clear? Okay. Now, jeune, for masculine plural, you have to add a S here. And feminine singular, add E. And feminine plural, add ES. Clear? Okay. Jeune. Jeune, same only. So this jeune you have to take up because la robe. La robe. The word la itself indicates that it is feminine singular. Clear? You know, no? La means masculine. La means feminine. Le means plural. All this you know earlier. So the word la itself indicates that it is feminine singular. Clear? Okay. Now, beau. Beau, when it is masculine plural, add X at the last. Belle. Beau will get changed to belle in feminine singular. These are the exceptionals. Okay. And then feminine plural, you have to add S. That's it. S to this feminine singular. Clear? It will become feminine plural. Then, la robe de la jeune mariée est belle. So, both are feminine singular only. So, jeune I have picked up from this, belle from this. Clear? Then, the next one is D. Les enfants sont dash active. Active means active only. Active, you are adding S. Whereas, for feminine, it is VE. And for feminine plural, you have to add S to it. Clear? Okay. Les enfants sont actifs. Les enfants sont actifs. Got it? Les enfants. Les enfants, it is ending up with S. So, if it is ending up with S, it is masculine plural. So, that's why I picked up this active here. Clear? Okay. The children are active. That is the meaning. Then E. The last one. Les amis de Charles sont heureux. The friends of Charles are happy. The friends of Charles are happy. Les amis. Les amis. Clear? It is ES here. Mistakenly I have written ES. Les amis de Charles sont happy. So here is I have written the masculine plural all. So les amis, listen carefully. It is ending up with ES. It is ending up with ES. Since it is ending up with ES, It is feminine plural. It is feminine plural. So you have to pick up this hers here. Clear? So the answer is hers. Here it should be es. Okay, so please add an here. E here. E, yes, it should be. I forgot to put E here. Please make a note. I am repeating again and again. It should be les amis. Okay, if it is AMIS, it is masculine plural. If it is AMIES, it is feminine plural. So here I have repeated the question. E should come. Les amis de Charles sont heureux. So that's why I have picked up this feminine plural. Got it? Okay. Merci. Bonne journée.